Hello children, welcome to our science class. Today we are going to start our new chapter. Seventh chapter, weather, climate and adaptations of animals to climate. Name of chapter is weather, climate and adaptations of animals to climate. Shall we start? Yes, very good. Okay, you know what is weather? Have you heard the term weather? Yes, every time, every day. Clear, every day, no? We are hearing that term weather, right? Weather. Clear. Have you heard elders in your family discuss the weather before planning the family function? The time of planning the marriage function and all, no? The elders of our family are discussing about the weather before planning the family function. You heard it right? Yes. You must have also heard the experts discussing the weather before start a game. Before starting the cricket game and all, no. The experts are discussing about the weather before that game, right? Yes. Okay. So many of our daily activities are planned based on the weather predicted that day. Many of our activities, daily activities, no, we are planning based on the weather. Now shall I ask you one question? Where you can see the weather reports? Where you can see the weather reports? Yes, you are right, my dear. In TV, newspaper and radio, right? Very good. There are daily reports of the weather on the television and radio and in the newspapers, right? You can see the weather reports on the television and radio and in newspapers, right? Yes, so we have to say that weather has a major role in our daily life, right? In our daily life, weather has a major role. At the same time, the climate also has a major role in our life. What about the adaptations? You heard the term adaptations, right? Adaptations. Yes, very good, my dear. Adaptations helps to leave the organisms in the climatic conditions. Adaptation helps to leave the organisms in different climate. Okay, adaptation helps to leave the organisms in the different climate. Okay, yes. In this chapter, no, we are going to discuss about the weather, climate and adaptations of animals. Weather, climate and adaptations of animals. Okay, yes. First of all, to weather. Let us discuss about the weather. You know what is weather? Yes, we can find the weather. No, by the day-to-day conditions of the atmosphere. By the day-to-day conditions of the atmosphere, no, we can find the weather. Okay, that means the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. is called weather at that place. You got it? From here we can find that the weather can measure as per the day-to-day conditions of the atmosphere. Day-to-day condition of the atmosphere. Clear? Based on the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. of that place. That is called weather. For example, no, in my area, in my place, no, today it was too cloudy. But yesterday was no heavy rain. But day before yesterday, here the condition was too cloudy. So here, no, I found the weather of my region, my area, my place as per the day-to-day conditions of the atmosphere, right? Day-to-day condition of the atmosphere. Okay, clear? Yes. So we can say that the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. is called weather at that place. We can find the weather of an area, weather of an area, weather of a place by temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. Right? Okay, we can find by these factors. They are called elements of weather, my dear. Elements of weather. Temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. are the elements of weather. Elements of weather. The weather of a place changes day after day, right? And week after week. And the weather can vary over very short period of time. It can be changed very short period of time. So we can say that weather can change over very short periods of time. Okay? Yes, very good. I hope you understood about the weather. Okay, my dears? Yeah, very good. Now let me ask you a question. How can we measure weather? By what device? How can we measure the temperature for weather? Yes, by maximum and minimum thermometers. Okay. When is the maximum temperature of the day? Which time? Morning or afternoon? Maximum temperature. Yes, maximum temperature of the day occur in the afternoon, right? In the afternoon. When is the minimum temperature? Which time? Yes, the minimum temperature occurs generally in the early morning, right? Minimum temperature occurs in the early morning. Yes, very good. Who is doing the research about the weather? Yes, they are called meteorologists, my dear. Meteorologists. Clear? Meteorologists are the scientists. They are doing the research about weather. They are always doing the study about weather and they are doing the research about the weather. Meteorologists are the scientists who study and research field of weather. In the field of weather. They record the weather every day. Meteorologists record the weather every day. So we will get the weather reports, every day's weather reports by them. Clear? Okay. These help us to determine the weather pattern at a place. A continuous weather pattern we will get by this, right? A weather pattern we will get by this. The weather pattern of a long time. By this, we will get a weather pattern over a long time. So the average weather pattern taken over a long time is called climate of the place. The average weather pattern taken over a long time is called climate of the place. Now here we experience heavy rainfall, right? Heavy rainfall. That means the climate of this place is wet, right? We have wet climate here because the average weather pattern taken over a long period of time here. Okay, that is called climate. When you compare the climate of Jammu and Kashmir, Rajasthan, what difference you can find here? Yes, the Jammu and Kashmir, you can find very wet climate, right? Very wet climate all over the year. But in Rajasthan, you can feel very hot climate, right? Very hot climate. Here we found the climate over a long period of time. That is called climate, my dear. Okay? Yes. I hope you understood about the climate. Clear? Yes, very good. Now we have to discuss about the adaptation. What is adaptation? Adaptation is a process whereby an organism becomes better able to live in the climate. the climate of the habitat. Adaptation helps the organisms to live in the climatic condition of their habitat, their living place. Animals are adapted to survive in the condition in which they live. The adaptation helps them to survive in that condition, no, in that climate, no. Okay, animals living in the very cold and hot climate because of this adaptation. Because of the adaptation, no, animals can live in the very hot climate and very cold climate. So adaptation helps them to survive there. Adaptation helps the animals to survive there. Now you know about the camel, right? Camel is adapted to live in the desert. Camel is adapted to live in the desert. What about the penguin? Yes, penguin is adapted to live in the polar region, right? Penguin is adapted to live in the polar region. So because of the adaptation, no, they can live in the climatic conditions. That adaptation helps them to survive in that climatic condition. Here the animals have the special features to protect themselves against the extreme cold or heat. By the adaptations, no, the animals can protect their body from the extreme cold or heat. Okay, that's why they can survive in that climate. No? We already mentioned that the polar region has that much cold condition, right? You know which other countries are included in the polar region? Yes, Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Alaska in USA, and Siberian region of Russia. These all countries have that much cold climate because they are situated in the polar region. Okay, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Alaska in USA, and Siberian region of Russia. Okay. Then what about the climatic condition of the tropical region? What about the climatic condition of the tropical rainforest? Yes, here also animals have their own adaptations to live in that climatic condition. No? The tropical region has generally a hot climate because its location around the equator of Earth. You know equator of Earth, right? You know about the equator of Earth. Clear? Okay, so here no generally a hot climatic condition. That's why the animals have their own adaptation to live in that climate. Okay, now let us discuss about the countries belongs to the tropical rainforest. Okay, examples are India, Malaysia, Indonesia, Brazil, Republic of Congo, Kenya, Uganda, and Nigeria are the countries found in tropical rainforest. Clear? India, Malaysia, Indonesia, Brazil, Republic of Congo, Kenya, Uganda, and Nigeria. As per the climatic condition of that regions, no, the animals have their own adaptations. As per the climatic condition of that regions. Then only they can survive there, right? Okay, now let us discuss about the adaptations of the animals to survive in the polar region and tropical rainforest. Okay, that we will discuss in our next class, my dear. Okay, the adaptations of animals in polar region and tropical rainforest. This topic we will discuss in our next class. Okay, my dears? Yes. Next class, no, we will finish this chapter. We want to discuss only about the adaptations of these two regions. After that, no, we will finish our 7th chapter also. Okay? Yes. All of you have to do your assignments also. Today's assignments, no, do it on time. Okay, my dears? Thank you so much.